Hello and welcome to the Famous Mommy channel here on YouTube. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel down below and like our videos. Our town where I'm from has been quarantined because of the coronavirus. So we figured we'd spend a beautiful day outside with the family after a really bad storm. We had 3 long days of big rains and heavy winds that blew trash cans over and pretty much messed up our entire backyard. So we figured we'd make the most out of being quarantined and go outside and spend the day with the family, cleaning up the backyard and playing with the kids. We hope you enjoy spending our day with us, cleaning, playing, building, and breastfeeding here on the Famous Mommy channel on YouTube. Unfortunately, we had some radio music playing in the background, and I don't think I'm allowed to use the music while we're playing outside on YouTube, so I had to mute all the sound in the video, and I'm basically just going to release this with a voiceover. I hope that you're enjoying this video of me playing with the girls. They're so cute. I wish you could hear my commentary in the actual video, but it looks like I'm not allowed, and I won't make that mistake again. Little baby Ziana absolutely loved swinging in the swing set that Daddy's building today. My 2-year-old is actually up in the swing set helping Daddy build it. It's so much fun to play with the girls. When the kids feel cooped up and get really fussy from being stuck in the house under this quarantine, a definite way to make everyone's day is to go outside and get some fresh air as long as it's safe for you and your family. Sure, Cynthia, you can go in the swing. Mommy's just going to pick you up and put you right in it and push all the way to the stars. You ready? Go! Whee! It's always a good idea to get fresh air with your kiddos, especially feeling so cooped up in the house. It was definitely hard the past few days being quarantined. We're not really allowed to go do anything. My husband isn't allowed to work right now, so we're kind of stuck at home. But at least we get to spend some quality family time together, and we do have our health. We are definitely praying for all the people that are suffering with the coronavirus and hope that they get well soon, and that they are able to overcome this terrible virus that we have been plagued with in this beautiful world. I hope that everyone out there is staying safe, and if you are unfortunately quarantined like we are, that you're making the most of your days. There's so much to do. I also made a video of what I stocked up in at the store as a breastfeeding mom in order to make sure that my family was taken care of during this quarantine. So, the Famous Mommy suggestion, if you are stuck at home and quarantined as well, you can turn on some music and dance, and play like you see my little ones doing today. It's so much fun. You can even dance inside your house, which is great. Or you can, of course, watch the Famous Mommy here on YouTube. So I slowed this part down just because I think it's really cool to watch my dog jump. And then I saw my toddler in the background totally fall on her face. So you'll see that coming up soon right here. Here is my handsome Labrador, Mr. Snowman. Jump, Snowman, jump. Wait. Jump. Can you see how high he can jump? He's amazing. He's such a good boy. So here I slowed everything way down because I caught on camera my little toddler, as you can see. And there she went. Luckily now I'm working most from home, so Mommy can always be there to pick her up. Here comes Mommy to the rescue. Oh no, baby Cynthia, are you okay? Here, Mommy's gonna pick you up and make you feel all better. Once Mommy picked her up and patted that back for a minute, Centea was all better. Now here's baby Ziana playing in her little rocker, having so much fun. Doodle doo 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 doodle doo 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 doodle doo 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 do 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 do. There's Papa working on the swing set. How much fun are we having? Playing with the dog and jumping and laughing and singing and playing. Yo, it's so much fun. Roof, roof, he says. Roof, roof, roof. Ball, ball. Oh, I'm gonna go get the ball. Did I find the ball? I don't know, Mom. Here you go. How lucky am I to have such a handsome, wonderful husband to create this nice little oasis for my kids and I. Centea loves going to the park to play, so she's been wanting a swing set of her own for a long time now. How exciting. And of course, there's always time for a nosh. Since I am a breastfeeding on-demand mother, my daughter lets me know when she's ready by either tugging on my shirt, giving me one of those looks, or she just will cry a lot, so I'll go pick her up and always offer her the breast. Now that my baby is also on solids, she doesn't need as much breast milk, so in order to ensure that she gets the breast milk that she needs, I offer her a breast before she sits down to eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Because of course I want to make sure my baby gets all those wonderful antibodies and healthy nutrients that breast milk provides. Breastfeeding my children is a very important part of my life, and that is why I wish to share it with you so that we can normalize breastfeeding and bring it to the attention of mothers and families to make the best decision at what's most healthy for them and their babies. Not only is breastfeeding good for the babies, it's also beneficial to the mother and can prevent things like diabetes and other sorts of things that a mom can get, even breast cancer. There are certain situations that mothers cannot breastfeed their babies, or certain sicknesses such as the flu and I'm sure the coronavirus, where you should not breastfeed your baby. Don't quote me on that though. Make sure that you talk to your doctor about what is best for you and your baby. But when a mother is sick, under certain circumstances, such as a common cold or other ailments, it's actually a good thing to breastfeed your baby because your body is making all those antibodies to ward off the sickness and can give them to your baby in order for them to be protected. They're building an immune system every time they breastfeed. Remember this when you're breastfeeding your baby or making the decision to breastfeed or not. After my baby had a little nosh, she decided she wanted to go play for a little bit, but quickly decides that she wants to go back on the breast. I'm holding and supporting my baby's neck and back and her shoulder area while she's breastfeeding. Now that she is a little bit older than 6 months and can hold her little head up by herself, and now she's almost walking, I can hold my baby in different types of positions where it's not as crucial for me to support the back of the neck or hold her in certain ways now that she's a little bigger. It does get easier for all you mommies out there wondering. The older the baby gets, it is a little bit easier to breastfeed as far as holding positions go. On occasion, there have been more difficulties when the baby gets a little bit older, such as she doesn't want to sit still for me at all, or she'll nosh for just a few seconds and then want to go play and then come back to the breast, which kind of makes it a little bit difficult for mommy. Now that she can crawl and play, she gets much more easily distracted. As you can see over here, my husband building that really nice play set with my daughter. My 2-year-old is even helping them. They're so cute. It's a little daddy and daughter play project. It looks like the baby's done with her nosh. She just can't wait to get back to playing. So here is where I put her down and I let her go do her thing. Look at her go. Being a mother is one of the most fulfilling and wonderful things in life. I am so lucky to be the mother of these 2 beautiful girls, and we are so lucky to have you here with us on YouTube watching our channel. Thank you so much for joining us on The Famous Mommy. Look at little Ziana. Isn't she great? She's almost walking. I couldn't be prouder. I just love these 2 girls so much. The rain made everything dirty though, so Mommy has to quickly go get a nice little washcloth and clean up the slide because, oh, there she goes. Dirty or not, here she comes. Mommy is always there also with a helping hand to ensure the baby doesn't fall. Come on, you can do it, Ziana, you can do it. She did it! Yay, Ziana! Good job, little mama. Doodly doot. Come on, let's go down the slide. Doodly doot. Let's go for a ride. Mommy will catch you. I'll be right here. Come on, my dear. And here she goes. Come on, kiddo. Mommy's gonna help you down the slide. Watch her. She's so silly. She's a little bit scared at first, but we get her down. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yay, Ziana, down the slide. The music we did have playing in the background was so much fun. I'm sure it was better than listening to my silly voiceover, but I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. We didn't want to waste a perfectly good family day video. And here's precious little Centea helping her daddy put together the swing set. She is so excited. She's having so much fun. I just love seeing daddy-daughter time. I'll definitely admit that a day spent with the family is a day well spent. What a wonderful journey we all have together, spending time together, enjoying each other's company, and being a close-knit family. It's a wonderful life.
But Daddy, I can do it. No, I can do it. No, I can do it. Let me do it. Yay, I did it.
These two girls are so smart. I'm definitely a proud mommy. I did everything right during my pregnancies too. I took all my vitamins and made sure to eat really healthy and do all the right things. I guess it paid off, all that hard work. Papa got it done! Yay! Now the kids have a nice little swing set all nice and done for them. Thank you so much for joining us here on The Famous Mommy. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. And if you'd like to show us a little more love, you can join us on our Patreon. That's patreon.com/TheFamousMommy. We'll see you again on the next one. Have a beautiful day.